Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy Omnis pudding on exfide. In this video we'll check if this keyboard has replaceable switches. As you can see, this keyboard is equipped with this key remover. Thanks to this key remover we can remove switch key to access switch. Unfortunately, this keyboard is not hot-swappable. The Endorfy Omnis pudding on white brown comes with fixed Kyle brown switches that are not hot-swappable. In other words, you can't easily pop out those factory switches and swap them for different ones without the soldering or significant keyboard modding. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.